Cold and flu season definitely here. Many of you know this firsthand. A lot of parents reach for that over-the-counter meds to make their kids feel a little bit better, but what should you know before giving them? Joining us now with helpful tips from parents, Dr. Gigi Chawla, Chief of General Pediatrics at Children's Minnesota. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yes, thank you for being here. I am so glad we are doing this question because oftentimes I have no idea where to start on what to give. What is safe? What is not? What is effective? What is not? What are we talking about?
Well, there are lots of preparations available over the counter for kids. You know, the topical medicines for treatment for acne, cuts, things like that, even eczema, those are pretty good. Oral medications for allergies, nasal sprays, especially for indoor allergies at this season for dust mites. Also really good.
So like that's your Claritin and
yep,
your...
exactly.
Okay.
But medications for cold and flu for kids over the counter, not so good. They're probably not so good for adults either, but they're not great for kids.
Even the ones that say children,
they're clearly labeled.
Flu?
Yeah, they're really not that great for kids. They make, you know, I don't know if you've taken adult cold medicine, cold and flu medicine. It might help a little bit. Sometimes you just feel a little bit jittery. It makes you feel a little bit off or weird. And it can do that for kids too. These medicines are just not great at treating all of the symptoms for cold and flu. What we hope you do instead of those preparations where everything's all added in, is think about what it is that you're actually treating. So if kids have a fever, okay, let's talk about Tylenol, acetaminophen, or ibuprofen, Motrin. Let's look at those doses because it's really important that you're dosing it, especially for weight and age. When you do a combination cold medicine like that, even the ones for kids, some of those doses may not work very well for kids' ages and weights.
Well, I'm thinking about like the flu numbers in Minnesota. I mean, right now it feels like they are through the roof. It feels like the rotavirus, that's another virus that's going on right now. Some of these over-the-counter medicines, they're not going to work. And parents may be misinformed thinking this is what's going to help my kid. Not necessarily the case.
Yeah, it's worth a try. I mean, especially medications for fever reduction, always a good option to try. And you can alternate those, the Tylenol and the ibuprofen every 3 hours to really help. But the medicine that really helps, like with cough or with congestion or drippy nose, those are really, they're not great for kids. And so we tend not to lean in too heavy with any of those types of medicines, even when you come to the doctor.
So what do you do instead? I mean, what if your kid has a poor cough or the runny nose or anything?
I know, it really is about waiting it out. So Benadryl or diphenhydramine is a medication that when you're working with your clinician, they can help come up with a dose. That medication, in addition to helping with allergies and hives and things like that, can dry up some of those nasal secretions. It's kind of a halo effect of it. So that can be a good medication to use, but all of the rest of it really, really doesn't work. And so it's some of those, you know, if you're trying to suppress a cough, then everything gets trapped in. And so you really do want to cough and get everything out. Your body is trying to do that.
Sit up and not lay down. And so, do you do neti pot? Do you do humidifier?
Neti pots, humidifier, great options at helping kids, you know, expectorate and get some of that out. You know, what we try to, you know, some families lean on things like honey for a sore throat.
Natural remedies?
Yep, natural remedies are fine. Just you want to make sure that kids are over the age of 1. Some of those hard candies, I really worry about kids choking and such, so you got to be careful with some of those.
I'm so glad you're here to help us navigate this time. Dr. Gigi, as always, we appreciate you.
Oh, good luck.